Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Maps on a PC using the latest 2026 method. Whether you want to find locations, get directions, explore nearby places, check traffic conditions, or save your favorite destinations, Google Maps on your computer makes it quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser on your Windows PC or laptop. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser. In the address bar, type *maps, Google, and press enter *. Once Google Maps opens, sign in to your Google account by clicking the sign in * button in the top right corner. While signing in isn't required to browse the map, it allows you to save places, view your timeline, access your lists, and sync your data across all of your devices. At the top left corner, you'll see the ** search bar **. Type the name of a city, business, landmark, street address, or any location you want to find, then press *enter **. Google Maps will instantly display the location on the map. To move around the map, simply click and drag with your mouse. Use your mouse wheel or the plus and *- buttons to zoom in and out. You can also switch between *map and satellite * views to see either the standard map or real satellite imagery. If you need directions, click the ** directions * button. Enter your starting point and destination, then choose your preferred travel mode, such as * driving *, walking *, cycling *, or public transit *, depending on what's available in your area. Google Maps will suggest one or more routes, along with estimated travel times and distances. You can also search for nearby places by typing terms like *restaurants *, gas stations *, hotels *, atoms *, or hospitals * into the search bar. Google Maps will display nearby results along with ratings, reviews, photos, business hours, and contact information. If you find a place you'd like to visit later, click *save * to add it to one of your lists, or click * share * to send the location to friends, family, or coworkers. You can also click anywhere on the map to measure distance, find coordinates, or drop a pin at an exact location. Google Maps on a PC is perfect for planning trips, exploring new cities, checking live traffic conditions, creating routes, and organizing your favorite places before you head out. And that's it. That's how to use Google Maps on a PC using the latest 2026 method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.